Paying on Alibaba website using Western Union. In this video, you are going to learn if you can pay on Alibaba by using Western Union. So let's get started. As you guys know that Alibaba website states on Google that they can provide different payment methods, for example, Visa and MasterCard or debit card, wire transfers, PayPal, and also Western Union. So it's confirmed that Western Union can be used as payment method on Alibaba. First, you need to buy any product of your choice. After buying this product of your choice, you will add it to the cart, and in the cart you will see the payment options. From there you can select Western Union as your payment method, but Western Union is considered as a risky payment method unless you are using Escrow. So now it totally depends on you if you want to use Western Union on Alibaba website for payment or not. That's all. That's how you can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.